Hey there guys, so my name is Lauren and I work at the Partners department here in Pipefy, and this video is destined to talk to you about Pipefy basic concepts. So a brief introduction about Pipefy. So Pipefy is an online process management platform that allows managers to create and execute any process without requiring technical knowledge nor IT support. So you will be totally empowered to have control over your process and modify it as long as you need and want to. And the agenda of this talk is we will start with the organizational structure, then get into pipes, phases, start form, and cards. Okay? This is the main view of your organization inside Pipefy. Here you will see all the pipes that you have inside your company. Pipes is what we call the processes. So over here you will find My Pipes, and these are the pipes that you are a member of. And down here you will find Other Pipes. The other pipes are pipes that are a part of your company, but you are not a member of them. You can either add a new pipe from scratch or download a template and start using it. So it's pretty easy, just have to click on add a new pipe. And you will also find My Tasks over here. My Tasks is where you will see all the cards you are assigned to and the basic information about them, such as the current phase, if they are nearing the due date, and so on. And back here in the Pipes main screen, you will see that above here we have some tabs. So the Pipes tab, it's where you find all the pipes from your company. The Database tab, that's where you will be able to build your tables, so tables from customers, suppliers, employees, and so on. The next tab is the Reports tab, and here you are able to build a report on organizational level, so have a macro view of what's going on inside all of your processes. And the last tab over here, it's the Apps and Integrations tab. It's where you are able to build your automation, so the automations to make your processes run smoother and seamless. And back to the main screen again. Over here you will find some icons. So this here is a really important one. So it's the intercom icon. It's where you will find help and support. If you have any questions regarding Pipefy and its usage, you can use this link to get in touch with us and start a new conversation. We usually take 5 minutes more or less to respond, so it's pretty fast. You don't have to wait all day long to get an answer. The next icon is the notifications icon. So here you will see a notification regarding pipes you are added to, cards you are assigned to, or cards that you are assigned to and are expiring, and so on. And this one over here, where your picture is where you will find the user settings, company settings. If you are a member of other companies, is where you will be able to switch companies, and so on. And down here, you will find the Invite Members icon, where you'll be able to invite new members to your organization. So, for example, here, I'm adding myself, and I can choose the role I will have inside this company. So, it can either be team admin that can view and join all the pipes and manage the team settings. The team member that can only view and join all public pipes, and the guest, that's a free user, but he will only be able to create new cards and he won't be able to see a pipe's structure. Sorry guys. And the next one is to see the members you have inside your organization and their roles. So if you want to change it, you can change it as well in here. In the same page, you can see the billing details of your company, so the subscription details, and also the company settings over here. Okay? Back to the main screen. The last icon over here, it's the activities icon, and it's where you will see all the activities that happened inside your organization and also all the processes. Now let's get inside a pipe so we can see the structure of it and understand a bit more of how it works, okay? So I will open the purchase process pipe. As you guys can see, we use the Kanban methodology to run our processes. So we have the phases and the cards. So each card is a request inside of this process, and the phases are following the flow of your process. And these phases are totally customizable. So if you want to edit or add a new phase or, well, move the phase around, you are able to do that. Inside your pipe, you are also able to take reports. So the report we have here is regarding the process itself. So it's only about the purchase process. And on the left side, you can choose all the parameters that will run your report. And on the right side, you will find the fields that you want to show on your report, and also where you will be able to export this report to CSV and so on. Okay. Back in the Kanban view, you will see that we have again some icons on the right side, such as invite members. So here you can choose the members you want to add to this specific process and choose their role inside of it. So not only pipe admin and pipe member, but also start form only, restricted view, so they can only see the cards they were assigned to, and read only. They can only read the cards, but they are not able to take any action over it, okay? So the next icon is where you see the members of your process. So you can change their roles, you can delete them as well. The next one is the metrics icon. So it's where you can see a productivity report and the cumulative flow report as well, and have a graphic view of what's going on inside your process. So how many cards are on time, how many cards are expired, how many cards are on each phase, and so on. Okay? And right after that, you will find the activities icon. And this activities icon is regarding the process. So all the activities that were taken inside the process, such as deleted a field, deleted a card, and this kind of thing. The next icon is the filter icon. So it's where you can search for cards by title, subtitle, label, or member that's responsible for this specific request. And last, you will find the settings. So the settings regarding this pipe, such as pipe icon, name, subtitles, and so on, and other things as well. Okay. The cool thing about these phases is, like I mentioned before, they are totally customizable. And you have the phases that are an active part of your process, so you are actually taking actions while your requests are on them. And the final phases. So the final phases is where your cards go once you finish the process. So if you finished it or if you gave up on it, you have end phases for that. And just to give an example, I will open another process to show that the flow can be really different. So here we have only 3 phases, 3 active phases and 2 end phases on the accounts payable, while on the purchase process we have 6 active phases and 2 end phases. Okay. And in each phase you will have different requests. So in screening, you will see that you have some fields specific to screening. But if you go to the approval phase, you will have the approval phase fields, and in the purchase field, other fields as well, and so on. And now explaining a bit better how the card works, I will start by showing the start form. The start form is also totally customizable. You will be able to change your fields, so add new fields or delete the existing ones by clicking on these 3 points above your field. And you are also able to share this as a public link, so people from outside your company are able to create new requests to your process by accessing this link. Okay? Great. So once you create a new request, you have a card, and the structure of this card is such. So on the left side, you will find all the information regarding the start form, so the basic information about this request. So I will change to this because this have more information. So all the information, the basic information about your request, you will find above here on the left side of your card. Under here, you will find the history of this card, so all the previous phases and what was done inside of it, and how long it stayed in each phase. And above here, you will find information such as the assignee, the labels that this request has, and also the due date and so on, as well as the information about when this card was created and by whom. Okay. On the right side of your card, you will find above here, these are fixed fields, so fields that are present in all of the cards. You can choose to not show them, though, so you just have to click on this plus button over here and choose the fields you want to be, to appear on your process. Down here, you will find the fields related to this phase. So these fields here are related to the purchase phase and happen inside all the cards that are on this phase. And also you can choose new fields to add to this phase or delete the fields that already exist, and so on. And down here, you will see the activities. So everything that was done inside of this request. So who did it, what was done, and when it was done. So all the information about it you will see down here. And if you want to make comments and tag your partners, you can do that as well. Okay, so this was the basic concepts about Pipefy. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if any questions come up, feel free to get in touch with us through Intercom. We'll gladly help you all. And well, thanks for watching.